Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm on Royal Caribbean's Oasis of the Seas. We're on deck 9. Check it out. Here at Music Hall. Let's check this out. Alright. This is the deck 9 of the Music Hall. Of course, we've got music, but billiards too. Got these big screens in case you're back here and can't see the performers. Naturally, get your favorite beverage. Over here, you can see here on the balcony, you can look down and see performers. A lot of times they have cover bands, all kinds of music. Great place to hang out here at Music Hall. Got this really cool chandelier too. It's kind of pretty. Alright, we'll go down the stairs, down to deck 8. Here's where the performers on the stage would be. Right here on the stage. Of course, not too far from your favorite beverages. Occasionally, they'll have a DJ. Hangs out right over here. Alright. Nice view of the outside. We're above the boardwalk. There's plenty of seating here. Lots of places to watch the bands play. And this is Music Hall on Royal Caribbean's Oasis of the Seas. And of course, this is me, Mr. Shadow 1969. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hopefully, I'll get to see you on board soon.